Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. Well, I'm so glad that you are joining me today because I am making my favorite pasta salad. And there are many recipes for pasta salad and a lot of variations of ingredients such as your vegetables, your cheese, meat, and your dressing. That's the nice thing about pasta salad is you can kind of modify it to what you like. Today, I just want to share with you my favorite pasta salad using some of my favorite ingredients. Now, I am going to go over all the ingredients that I will be using in my pasta salad and walking you through how I make it step by step. But keep in mind that you do not have to use all of the ingredients that I use. You can add some of your favorite vegetables or your favorite cheese or dressing to make your pasta salad your own. The pasta that I am using today is actually a gluten-free penne pasta, but you can literally use any pasta that you want. And I used half of a pound. I've cooked it, drained it, and let it cool. And the reason I'm using a half of a pound of pasta is because I like an equal ratio to pasta and the vegetables and all the other ingredients. Now, if you want to make a larger quantity of pasta salad, then of course you can increase the amount of pasta that you make. So the vegetables that I like to use is some artichoke hearts, some black olives. I have some sliced banana pepper rings, some little cherry tomatoes, and then a little bit of a red onion. Now, I am going to be using a seasoning packet of this Italian salad dressing seasoning mix along with some Italian dressing. And I'm also going to be adding some little mini pepperoni slices. These are perfect in salads. All right, so for my cheese, I'm using some shredded Parmesan cheese, and then I love the crumbled feta. Now, if you do not like feta, you can absolutely use mozzarella, whether it's shredded or the little mozzarella balls are really good as well. Just use whatever you like. So here's a little story about me and olives. I used to absolutely hate olives, and I'm still not that crazy about the green ones, but I have done so many catering jobs, made so many salads over the years that I would always add olives. And every time I would just eat one, I don't really know why, but I would just eat an olive. And I have really grown to love these little black olives. It's crazy, right? So I'm going to add 1 can of olives, and I'm leaving them whole. I'm also going to add 1 jar of these artichoke hearts. Now these have been marinated in seasoning. Going to add my banana peppers, some grape tomatoes that I have sliced in half, and then some red onion that I have sliced very thin. Going to add my Parmesan cheese, my feta crumbles, my mini pepperonis. Next, I'm going to add my Italian dressing seasoning packet. Just going to sprinkle this over everything, the entire packet, then stir. Oh my goodness, this looks delicious. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is put on my Italian dressing. But here is a secret little tip for you. If you're going to make your pasta salad, say the day before, only use about half of your dressing and reserve the other half for just before you serve it. The reason being is because that pasta is going to absorb all of the liquid, all of the dressing, and if you use all of it, you'll kind of end up with a little bit of a dry pasta salad. But if you have a little bit to pour over your pasta salad just before you serve it, then it'll be nice and creamy and moist, and it'll be just a delicious pasta salad. my This is delicious. Adam and Ben are going to be gone this evening, so this is like seriously my dinner. Well, I hope that you enjoyed seeing how I make my favorite pasta salad, and thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.